the presiding officer. This weekend, the Urdd Eisteddfod comes to the constituency of Ogmore to the grounds of Bridgend College's Pencoed campus. Many thousands will travel to the area from across Wales to enjoy the Festival of Welsh Language and Welsh Culture and Youth. We are very proud to be hosting the Urdd Eisteddfod, and I am very proud of the way in which my own local communities have taken this high point of the Welsh cultural calendar to their hearts. The way in which the staff and management and students of Bridgend College have worked so hard in preparation for the event, the fantastic fundraising efforts of local communities across the area, the enthusiasm and involvement of local schools, the support of local clubs and organisations, including Pencoed Rugby Club, who hosted a very successful Rugby Sevens tournament, and so many more who have worked over many months to make the Eisteddfod yr Urdd, Penabant yr Ogur, Taf ac Elai a success. In the Bridgend area, I have been pleased to see how the Welsh language has increasingly been welcomed in shops and workplaces. Those of you who haven't before visited Eisteddfod, please come and see how the whole festival works, and we hope to see you there.